Today we have a video from Arrest Loop, and the title of the video is "She Wanted a Flight Home but Got Criminal Charges Instead."
I just wanted to go home. Listen, I know that you guys think that this is
Just start walking, okay?
You're breaking my arm!
On December 12th in 2024, Nashville, Tennessee airport, a visibly intoxicated woman was denied boarding on a Southwest Airlines flight after allegedly trying to force her way onto the plane, escalating the situation into a full arrest.
I didn't do anything wrong! I didn't do anything wrong! Let me on the plane!
Relax.
I didn't do anything wrong! I didn't do anything wrong!
In U.S. law, saying that repeatedly doesn't pause an arrest. It actually counts as non-compliance.
I'm scared!
Can't find your bag. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Thank you.
Please! I didn't do anything wrong!
Really? All right, listen.
I didn't do anything wrong!
So my family boarding. Stand up.
Stand up, ma'am.
Please! I didn't! No! No! I just wanted to go home!
Relax, please. Relax.
With the B group, B, 1 through 30, please. B, 1 through 30.
Okay? Stand up. Stand up. Stand up for me. Let's get you a wheelchair. You okay? Can you relax, okay? Relax, okay?
Under U.S. law, continued refusal allows officers to escalate from verbal commands to physical restraint.
Seriously, why are you doing this to me? This isn't fair! This isn't fair! I was just supposed to go. Listen, stop! I was supposed to just go to my... I was supposed to just go on my flight! I'm a normal person! They're breaking my arm!
That's usually the first thing people say, right before things get legally complicated.
Stand up.
Oh my God!
Start walking.
I'm a person! I'm a normal person, please!
Start walking.
I just wanted to go home! Listen, I know that you guys think that this is
Just start
crazy.
walking, okay?
Just look at it! Just look at it!
You all right?
Please, just look at it!
You all right?
I know that you see me. Please, my God! I know that you guys see me! Ow! You're breaking my arm! You're breaking my arm!
Go to the right.
You're breaking my arm!
Listen.
Ow!
Active resistance.
Holy crap. Man, her yelling is insane. This is what a normal person acts like? That's what she keeps saying. I'm a normal person. I'm a normal person. This is how normal people act? If this is how normal people act, I want to see what the crazy ones act like, man. Insane. Damn, what be going on with people? I mean, I never understand it. The airport, who got time for this foolishness? Traveling, it's a lot. You know what I mean? It's a lot. Traveling in general, you know, going to the airport, getting your ride, figuring out your car situation, getting to the airport, getting through TSA, you know, and all of that stuff, waiting for your flight. It's like, come on. And then not only that, you got to fly to wherever it is that you're going. Then get your taxi or get your ride to go where your hotel or your Airbnb or your family house, whoever you going to see, you know? It's a lot. It's a long day. So why wouldn't people just want to make it as peaceful and as quick as possible? Doing all of this for what? Sit there, be quiet, wait for your flight, get on. That's it. No, you don't have to go to the bar and get 10,000 drinks while you at the airport spending $20 a drink. You know what I mean? 10, 15, you spending like $12, $12, $13 a drink, $15 a drink. A beer is probably $7. You know, it's like you're at the airport. So you're at the mercy of their prices. It doesn't make any sense to me. Damn.
instance justifies immediate physical control under standard use of force policy.
Sit her down.
You're breaking my arms!
Then walk. Let's go.
You're breaking my arms! Why is this okay?
Walk.
Why is this okay? Why is this okay?
In police reports, emotional distress doesn't override use of force justification.
Just start walking.
Listen! I shouldn't have had to do this! I was just going home!
Just stand up.
You're breaking my arms! You're breaking my arms!
Here, now forward behind her. Let's put her in the wheelchair.
You're breaking my arms! You are literally breaking my arms! Please, God, please let me get. Listen, you are breaking my arms! You are breaking my arms!
Once restrained, the situation legally shifts into formal arrest and charges.
Please, please let me go! Please let me go! Please let me go! My arms are hurting so bad! Please let me go! My arms are hurting! Please let me sit!
Are you gonna walk?
Please,
Start walking. Stand up. Get up. Get up.
please just give me a second!
No.
Just give me a second! Please, it hurts so bad! It hurts so bad! Please take him off! Please, but listen! Please,
walking.
please, listen, my arms, I can't feel my arms!
At this point, everything is documented for liability protection on both sides.
Please, I'm asking you. Please, I'm begging you.
I was trying to fix the door, but I think it broke on the bottom, so I couldn't secure it.
I'm begging you.
There you go. Hold your hand. Let me check your stuff.
Well, please, God, they're hurting so bad.
Stay seated.
Just take them off. Please, just take them off. No.
You're going to jail for public intoxication, all right? And resisting arrest, okay? There you go. Try to take a breath. Breathe, okay?
Why are you doing this to me?
During custody processing, suspects often escalate emotionally as charges are confirmed.
I gave it to Princess.
I know, but what?
No,
I'm a princess?
my other officer.
Why are you doing this to me?
I don't-
Listen, I thought you were my friend.
I am your friend.
But why did you do
Let go,
this?
let go, let go.
Do you think I deserve
No,
this?
you don't.
No, but I'm scared.
Sit up, you're all right.
I'm scared.
Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Sit up. We're going to get your seatbelt in.
Why are you doing this?
Sit up, please. You're all right.
Why don't you let me go? This isn't fair.
You're all right. Put your foot in here.
Why are you doing this to me? I just wanted to go home. I just wanted to go home. This wasn't fair.
In the U.S., missing a flight is temporary, but catching charges like public intoxication and resisting arrest can stick with you a whole lot longer.
Oh, man. Who the hell want to deal with that, man? Who the hell wants to tolerate and put up with that? She's a nut job. The screaming, it's like the brattiness, the entitlement, oh God. She's complaining that the handcuffs hurt. No shit, the handcuffs hurt. It's gonna hurt even more when you're twisting and moving and they have to fight with you because your wrist is bending into the metal. That's the worst thing you can do. If you're handcuffed, the worst thing you can do is fight with police. It's gonna hurt. The fact they gotta carry you and twist you all up. Oh yeah. It don't make no sense, man. I don't get it. I really don't understand these airport incidents. What? Never have I never even been to the airport drunk. Never even been to the airport drunk. Or anything. Like, nothing. Yeah, I don't understand. I don't understand why people act like this. I really don't. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.